Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable QuickBall, aka Assistive Touch, on your Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. First, you have to open Settings on your device. Then in Settings, navigate down to Additional Settings menu and open it. Here, find and select QuickBall. To enable it, switch this toggle to the right. Then you will see this tiny something in the bottom right corner, or basically on the right side at the bottom of your screen. If you tap on it, this will enable the circle, which you'll be then able to move along the screen and put it into the position where it feels more comfortable for you to use it. As you can see, after tapping on this circle, we'll get the row of different default system toggles. This is the home screen, which will get us to the home screen, of course. This is the recent apps view. We also have lock screen. We also have screenshot here, and the back button at the bottom. And if you want to replace these shortcuts with other shortcuts, select this Select Shortcuts option here, and tap on the shortcut that you want to replace, and then select the action you want to replace it with. You can also change the preferred gesture, the gesture for selecting a shortcut. So if you select tap, then you would have to tap on this shortcut to select it. And if you change it to swipe, then you'd have to swipe to it to select it. You can also let it. You can also turn on. You can also select the apps that you want to hide automatically. And you can also switch the toggle on or off next to move aside when full screen, and basically change all the other settings for your QuickBall in here. And that's basically how you enable or disable it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.